Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking a very easy rice cooker, olive vegetables, chicken rice. So let's start cooking. Now we are going to do a light seasoning on our chicken over here. I have with me over here 200 grams of boneless chicken leg which I've taken off the skin. Cut them into small pieces like this, okay? Seasoning is very simple. Half a teaspoon of salt and a few dashes of white pepper. Just mix them up and set them aside. Now we're going to put all the ingredients inside our rice cooker, starting with 3 cups of jasmine rice, which I've washed and drained dry. The cup that I've used is the cup that comes with the rice cooker. So the weight is approximately 390 grams. Just pour everything in. We add in the chicken that we have just seasoned. Put everything in. 80 grams or approximately 3 big tablespoons of the preserved olive vegetables. Put it in. About 200 grams of carrots that I've diced into small pieces like this. Put everything in. A very simple dish to cook and prepare, and it's extremely delicious. For the seasoning, we'll need 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of fish sauce. If you do not have fish sauce, you can always replace this with soy sauce. Add in a few dashes of white pepper. Mix everything up well. Break up especially the preserved olive vegetables. Right? For this dish, you have proteins, you have carrots, you have carbs. It's really a one-pot dish. Okay, once you're done with this, we'll add in water. Add in 390 milliliters of water, using the same cup of water, but just slightly lesser, a little bit. But weight-wise, it's about the same. Pour everything in. Push the rice from the sides all down. Even them out. Once you're done with this, we'll just close this up. Turn this to rice cooking mode. And we'll let the rice cooker do its magic. I'll see you back in a while. Okay, the rice is now done. Let's have a look. Wow, look at how pretty this is. And now all we have to do is just to sprinkle our spring onions into the rice. You can use as many or as little as you want. I will sprinkle some in first, and then we'll just give this a stir. Smells absolutely delicious. Wow, look at how pretty this is. So colorful, look. Wow. The carrots with its natural sweetness and the olive vegetables with its very unique taste. This is going to be so good. Alright, and now it's time for our lunch. And now the rice is done, let's have a taste. Oh, smells really, really good. Super easy, super delicious. You have to try to cook this at home. This is really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you, bye bye. Wow, 香。